What's up, YouTube? As you can see by the title of this video, today I'm going to be redesigning, that's the word I'm looking for, redesigning our off-grid pump sprayer. If you've seen our other video in the past, I'll link it down below. Our other video, we built an off-grid hand pump sprayer for showers or foot washing if you don't have a hot water heater or running water. It works super well, but there's always room for improvement. And somebody left a comment on that video suggesting that I use a different kind of sprayer. So I found one at Goodwill and I'm gonna retrofit the old one. Here's what I've got originally. I've got the, 2.5 gallons? 2 gallons. 2-gallon pump sprayer and a garden hose. And I just used the regular tubing that came with it, took off the actual weed sprayer attachment, and did a series of connector pieces to get it to the garden hose. We eventually actually ended up adding a bigger gasket to the top of it just to help it seal better, because over time it started to break down because it's a really cheap pump sprayer. It works good, but there's, like I said, there's room for improvement. This thing's kind of bulky, a lot of moving parts and pieces. It's kind of heavy in the shower, and it's got a ton of different spray settings, and none of them are really great for the shower. Like I said, somebody commented on that video and recommended that I use a sink sprayer, and I found this at Goodwill for $1.99. I'm gonna attach this in place of this, which will also give me some extended cordage. See how much more that'll give me? That's another thing that's frustrating about this current setup, is that it's kind of short, so the cord is kind of short, so you have to either sit down or bend down in the shower or have this thing on a bucket or some kind of stand, which is inconvenient. So I'm excited about the extra 2.5, 3 feet of cord that I'm gonna get out of this. So first things first, I guess I will take off maybe this piece. Okay, maybe I won't take off this piece. Maybe I'll cut off this piece? Maybe I'll go get pliers. Hang on. Oh, we know it doesn't leak. All right. Okay. Loose end. And I've got this one, so I wonder if it would fit in here. If it does, that'll save me from having to go to the store and buy a piece. Oh, sweet goodness, it fits. Oh, it fits beautifully. I don't even know if I'll need a clamp on that. That is tight. Okay. Maybe this was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Let's fill it up with water and see if it leaks. I'm gonna go outside for this one in case it does leak. Something else that's been frustrating about this particular one is one of the edges there broke off. It should have 2 of these, and that one broke because it's cheap, so it makes tightening this down really hard, which is part of the reason we bought the extra gasket, so that we don't have to tighten it down quite as hard. Alright, now we pump it up. Okay. Alright. Time to see if it works. Hey, looky there! And it doesn't look like this piece is leaking at all. That's nice. Let's see if I can get the pressure a little better. That's pretty good. I mean, that's a decent little shower. I'm impressed. All right, folks, there you have it. Kitchen sprayer pump attachment, Goodwill, $2. I like it. Actually, you know what? I think it was on sale too, so I think it was $1. It's even better. So there you have it. A new and improved off-grid shower sprayer pump. I recommend it. Well, for now. Obviously, this is not a very secure connection, so I'm not gonna yank on it or torque on it too badly. I might put one of those pipe clamp things on it to make sure it stays secure. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this was informative or satisfied some curiosity, if nothing else. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, see, that's why we're doing this outside.